Now let us see another set of verbs. Okay, verb is a action. Okay, I already told you verb is a action. Okay, without brain, we cannot do anything at all. Okay, without brain we cannot do anything at all. Okay, likewise without the verb, without the verb the sentence did not give any meaning. Okay, the sentence did not give any meaning. That is why verb is important. Okay, that is why verb is important. Let us see another set of verbs. Then the 61st one. See, bowl. The pronunciation is bowl. The meaning is speak. The meaning is speak. Okay, bolo means you speak. Okay, tu bolo means you speak. That is the meaning for bowl. The 62nd. Okay, 62nd is beige. Beige means send. Okay, pronunciation is beige. The meaning is send. Okay, मेरे भाई मुझे साड़ी भेजा. मेरे भाई मुझे साड़ी भेजा means my brother send me a sari. Okay, my brother send me a sari. Beige means send. Okay, he is sending a sari to me. The next one is bull. 63, bull. The pronunciation is bull. The meaning is forget. The meaning is forget. माँ मैं भूल गया. माँ मैं भूल गया. आज मैं भूल गया means mother, today I forget. Today I forget to say you something like that. Okay, forget. Bull means forget. The next 64 is mar. Mar means die. Mar means die. Okay, कई लोग बीमारी से मर जाते हैं. कई लोग बीमारी से मर जाते हैं means many people. Okay, many people dying with fever. Because of fever, many people dying in the hospital. That is the meaning of mar. Mar means die. Okay, the 65, monk. The pronunciation is monk. The meaning is demand. The meaning is demand. Okay, my arm manga. My arm manga means I demand mango. Mango did not come for every season. It come only for the summer season only. Okay, in the winter season we cannot get mangoes. In that time I demand mango. Okay, like that. Then mill. Okay, 66 is mill. The meaning is mill. The pronunciation is mill. The meaning is meat. मैं मेरी सहेली को मिलती हूँ. मिलकर आ रही हूँ. मैं मेरी सहेली को मिलकर आ रही हूँ means I meet my friend today. Okay, I meet my friend today. That is the meaning for mill is meat. The next one is ruck. Ruck means put. Ruck means put. बच्चे को टाली में रखो. Okay, बच्चे को टाली में रखो means put the child in the cot. Okay, put the child in the cot. Okay, put. The 68 is rah. Rah means stay. The many meanings for rah. That is stay, reside, to be. 3 meanings. There are 3 meanings for rag. That is stay, reside, to be. Okay, मैं तिरची में रहती हूँ. मैं तिरची में रहती हूँ means I am living in Trichy. I am living in Trichy. Okay, मैं तिरची में रहती हूँ. Okay, this is the meaning for rag. I am staying in Trichy. Okay, I am staying in Trichy. Okay, the next one 69. See, the 69 is rock. The 69 is rock. Rock means stop. Rock means stop. उस गाड़ी को रोको. उस गाड़ी को रोको means stop the train or stop the bus. Okay, gadi means anything at all. Gadi means train, aeroplane, bus, auto, okay, vehicles, car, etc. Vehicles is called by gadi. Okay, called by gadi. So us gadi ko roko means us bus. Okay, bus ko roko. Stop the bus. Stop the car. Okay, like that we have to say stop. Understand? Anything difficult to understand? Okay, is it easy? If you have willpower to learn, we can easily learn anything. Oh, you have the guts, then only you can learn anything. Okay, then the next 70th is la. The meaning is la, the pronunciation is la, and the meaning is bring. Bring. Okay, bring. मुझे शरबत लाओ. मुझे शरबत लाओ. मुझे शरबत लाओ means I bring शरबत for me. Okay, bring शरबत for me. Understand? Anything here? These are the words which give same pronunciation but meaning is different. See, the letters are, see here, ba lines, bowl, beige, bull. The ba lines are coming here. Okay, then we can go for the next one, 71. Okay, the 71. Here we see lick. Lick means right. Okay, lick means right. Pronunciation is lick, meaning is right. My kat lika. Okay, my kat lika means I write a letter. I write a letter. Then the 72, loot. 72 is, pronunciation is loot. The meaning is blunder. The meaning is blunder. Chor, okay, chor उस महल को लूटा. चोर उस महल को लूटा means thieves plunder the house. Okay, thieves plunder that palace. Mahal means palace, house, etc. See, the 73. 73 is lay. Lay means take. Lay means take. Okay, in the जन्मदिन के समय कई बच्चे कक्षा में उनकी जन्मदिन के अवसर पर चॉकलेट देंगे. उस दिन दे कहेंगे कि चॉकलेट ले लो. कहेंगे दैट चॉकलेट ले लो. टेक द चॉकलेट. ओके, टेक द चॉकलेट. This is lay. Lay, the meaning is take. The next one, 74 is late. Late means lay down. Okay, late means lay down. Okay, lay down. मुझे सिर में दर्द हो रहा है. मुझे सिर में दर्द हो रहा है, इसलिए मैं थोड़ी देर लेटा हूँ. ओके, इसलिए मैं थोड़ी देर लेटा हूँ means I am suffering from headache. Okay, I am suffering from headache. I want to lay down for some time. Okay, I want to lay down for some time. The meaning of late is laying down. Okay, the next one, 75, loud. Loud means return. Loud means return. मैं मुंबई से लौटा हूँ. मैं मुंबई से लौटा हूँ. I am coming back or I am returning back from Mumbai. Understand? Understand? Okay, is it correct? I am saying I am coming from Mumbai. I am returning from Mumbai. Next, 76 is saja. Saja means decorate. Saja means decorate. In the Diwali के समय हमारे घरों को सजाते हैं, फूलों से सजाते हैं means we are decorating the houses in the time of Deepavali. Okay, in the time of Deepavali we are decorating our houses with flowers. Okay, flowers and anything, decorating things. Okay, saja means decorate. Then 77, samaj. Samaj means understand. Samaj means understand. Okay, all the time. हर रोज, okay, हर रोज अध्यापक, हर रोज अध्यापक छात्रों के देखते ही समय कहते हैं तुम्हें समझा, तुम समझा या कि नहीं, या कि नहीं. Okay, in the classroom, okay, in the classroom every teacher asks the students that can you understand the things. Every students, okay, teachers asking the students, can you understand, can you understand baby, okay, like that. So understand means samaj. The next one is sag. Sag means tolerate. Sag means tolerate, tolerating anything. Okay, tolerating anything. In the sardi ki in the summer occasion I tolerate the mangoes. Okay, tolerate the mangoes. Then the 79, the 79 is seek. Seek, sick, this one is seek, this one is sick. Sick means teach. Teach. मैं हिंदी सिखाती हूँ, मैं हिंदी सिखाती हूँ means I am teaching Hindi. Okay, I am teaching Hindi. सिखाती हूँ, sick. This is a short sound of sick. The next one is seek. Okay, the next one is seek. Seek means learn. Seek means learn. आप हिंदी सीख रहे हैं. Okay, आप हिंदी सीख रहे हैं means you are learning Hindi. Okay, you are learning Hindi. You are learning Hindi. Likewise, we have to make sentence for each one, then pronounce them and take the meaning from the word. Is it clear?